Universal power cords. 10-pack of 18 Aruban Florins, American wire gauge, universal power cords. NEMA 5 to 15P to IEC 320C13. For 3PIN devices. Works with most PCs, monitors, printers, and other devices that accommodate a 3-pin power connector. Dynamic use. Ideal for use as a replacement to an old or missing power cord or simply as a handy backup. Safety rated. UL listed for safety. Durable design for long-lasting strength and performance. In the box. 1 6-foot power cord. Universally compatible. The 18 Aruban Florins cord is universally compatible and works with devices with 3-pin shroud power connectors including most computers, printers, and more. UL listed. Ideal as a backup or as a replacement for an old, worn-out power cord. The Amazon Basics cord is UL listed for safety. Female to male. Includes a 3-pin shroud female, IEC 320C13, connector on one end and a 3-prong grounded plug male, NEMA 5 to 15P, on the other end. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly fine with my TCL TV. I bought this to connect my TCL TV to a power outlet and works perfectly fine. Amazon sells good quality products, so I have peace of mind this cord will work safely in my house. You will find cheaper, but in some items you need to put value over price. Recommended. Also works with computers.